Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft this special fertilizer in Heartopia. So in Heartopia, you can craft any fertilizer like this, and there are four fertilizer like this: the common fertilizer, and then quality fertilizer, top fertilizer, and handmade fertilizer. And in here, I want to show you how to craft the top fertilizer. So first, just tap on this recipe, this top fertilizer recipe at your workbench, and then in here you need wheat and then loom. For these two ingredients or two materials, you can get it or you can collect it when you harvest the crop or the flower at your gardening hobby. And then after you get these two ingredients, just adjust the amount over here, and then after that just simply tap on craft, and just like that you will successfully craft this top fertilizer in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.